I'm recording now.
You're gonna be Mystery Man.
Oh no, it's not.
Skull Kid.
Oh.
What the?
Who left?
I left, dude. I have to invite you guys because it almost just started with James and character. John took your character.
Oh man.
Oh, now we gotta go find out again. We gotta. Sorry, I didn't mean to take your character.
John, ruining the footy, man.
Oh, it's so scary. Brendan by himself.
Right, you're playing
Yeah,
alone.
alone in that dark little lobby, and there's like little freaking girls whisper like.
Right,
So
come
your
on.
sister, dude, you're like in the corner, like. Like it makes a predator noise, like.
Brace, doesn't your Xbox play 7? Doesn't your room have windows?
What? He plays in the
It's
basement.
like the mid. It's like
Yeah,
day.
I'm in a dark basement with
Oh,
only
yeah.
the TV on.
Guys, let's all take a moment to realize he's a ponytail.
Not a ponytail.
Fine, I'll be this
Kinda
insane
looks like
lady.
Brace.
We all have to play with the lights off, okay? Everybody turn your lights off.
Right, such a guy.
Alright, hold on.
Yeah,
Alright, there,
my
just turn it off.
chase. Two.
I'll be this guy. Scared the monster away with my scary mask.
Brace got lost on Halloween.
Where am I, man? I'm not even supposed to be here.
George.
My parents don't know I'm
Okay.
here. Brace, you got like so stupid. This skin tight skeleton.
What the hell? Why did your
Okay,
guy
you're
freaking
freaking invisible.
Bryce,
invisible
follow me.
man, dude?
Okay, let's go.
Brace,
You
Brace, follow
guys
me.
look like freaking. Is this nightmare mode?
Yeah.
Brace, right.
I can already
happened in
hear.
nightmare mode?
I can already hear something.
I hear footsteps.
Christ, guys. Have a tape bag.
Oh, we have Turtle Beach
Bobby,
on.
wait
dude.
up.
You know what? No,
John's falling. James is falling behind, dude.
Oh, yeah, dude, I
Keep
the
walking,
track
dude.
person.
Keep walking. Oh god, what is that? That's just cobwebs.
Brace, that's a bench.
Wait up.
Oh god, what is that? It's like throw up. Oh my god.
Your person's headbanging, Bobby. Your person's headbanging when you just sit still.
James, you have like a leather jacket on. It's really creepy, dude.
Dude, where are you guys? Where's James?
Hey,
I'm behind
kill
Bobby.
ya.
Oh!
Goes.
Where are we? I'm in like the. I'm with the
Francis,
Invisible Man. Oh wait, how come
Okay,
John has
he's
two
over.
hats?
James,
Francis, I don't have
got a
two
tape.
Yeah, you do, dude. Oh, it's just a shadow.
Tape, guys,
oh my
tape.
god.
Whoa, it scared me.
What is this, dude? It's like a pavilion.
John,
What's up behind you?
I want to turn my volume up really loud because they'll freak me out.
No, John, don't leave
I
me
have all the
behind.
lights off.
Oh, considering how loud Bryce is, it's gonna scare you more.
No, I can turn up the chat volume
Hey, what's this?
if I want to.
Is this a mirror?
Never mind, turn down your mic. Brace, what's this? It's only been like the same room like 6 times in a row.
I don't my mic. What are you talking about?
Just put it farther away from your mouth. You scream a lot.
Alright, John, we're split up.
James, I found another tape recorder.
I'll go with
Wait
Dylan
up.
and Daphne to the bedroom.
Daphne.
Alright,
My glasses, I can't be seen without my glasses.
Oh my god. No, you can't go through that way.
James is trapped. James, I can't move.
Oh my god, he can't get out. Oh. Okay, you're out. Go, go,
Me and
go.
Bryce haven't even
Go
seen
die.
the guy yet.
Well, let me go, dude. I'm running and bullshit.
Oh no!
Oh my god. We're stuck
Oh
here.
no, lag.
Oh, I hear it.
Bryce, don't go there, this way.
Leave me straight.
Ah, run.
How do you run in this game?
Bobby.
Right trigger.
Ah.
But it tires you out really quickly.
Between two bases. God, he's still there. Guys,
Crap, the guy's losing his sanity already.
I hear him.
We do good, guys. We're really quiet. Guys,
Me and Bryce haven't even
wait,
seen him yet.
Oh my god. Ah.
James, you got it.
No, I didn't. I'm still alive.
James, wait, James, come look at me. Wait, alright. No, so guys, everyone be quiet. Just imagine me stuck between two like pillars. Like,
Are you
get
still
out.
there? Did he not kill
Yeah.
you?
Yeah, I don't know. I was I can't move. It's like James.
It's dangerous to go alone.
Bryce,
Oh, no,
no.
it is.
Blue hair.
Help me!
James, get me out of
Bryce, your
here.
blue hair
I
looks
don't know
so
what I'm doing.
stupid.
I'm trying to find them. Where are you guys?
Someone pry me out, guys. I'm stuck.
My guys are losing
Dangerous to
insanity.
go alone. Jeez, I'm trying to stay in the perimeter of Bobby so I just don't die.
Coming.
Bryce, just...
I can
Yeah,
hear the
that's
bastard. I don't know where he is though.
Hi guys! Oh, that's Bobby. Never mind.
James, help me get out, dude.
I don't know how to. You're stuck.
James,
I
push
hear
me
him.
out, man. Push me out of here, too.
Ah. Ah.
Grayson,
Oh, James.
Sparkle.
Ah!
I don't want to die like this.
Yeah, that'd be funny if you can't get between those boxes.
Guys, you still there? James, what do we do?
I don't know what to
Me
do.
and Bryce haven't even seen him once.
He's not attacking us.
What are the odds of this happening? Oh, James, just push me out.
Why is my flat? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
I'm
oh,
stuck
no.
now. I'm stuck. Oh, wait, never mind. I'm out.
Bryce, I hope you know that's not him.
I hate you.
I don't know what to do.
James, I hope you know
God,
that's...
James, it's okay.
That's not him.
You guys need to come and find us so I can go with you and Bobby can die.
No, guys, guys, you need to come look at me, dude. I'm stuck. I can't move between these two like, pillar things.
For me, you're just vibrating in place.
Help me.
Find you.
My guy's losing his sanity. He's probably gonna fall over any second. And freaking
Yeah, I mean-
froth at the mouth.
I can hear him. It's not fun.
Oh, well, I'm basically.
Me and Bruce
green,
haven't even
guys.
seen the guy.
If you guys can see me, I'm just like in little poles, dude. Like,
Oh god, Jay.
You mean Bryce have... Oh, Bryce!
Guys,
Run!
you need to find us.
Bryce!
Can't believe you did this, Bobby.
Oh, you
Hell,
don't.
what are you thinking when you tried to run through this?
oh, James.
Oh, let's go! Yeah.
Did you get out?
Yeah. I swear to God. We lost so much time, James.
Alright, we're me and Bryce are in the center. We're going the way you guys want.
What's in the turn, dude?
Bryce, go past the black bar.
What makes Nightmare mode any different from regular mode?
See him a lot.
Oh, that's fun. I like that.
Me and Bryce are in a place...
We're in like the
Me and Bryce are in a place with like a bunch of statues.
We're already there.
the terracotta warriors.
Oh yeah, yeah, no, you guys.
Where
go
that at the
over it.
beginning?
No, guys. See the you guys see the you guys see the oh, you guys see like all these like little pillars? Oh, it's right there. You guys see little pillars? Guess which one it is.
It's like a triangle of vases.
Yeah, I am stuck. Like,
Bobby,
no, I
wait
have to
up.
go between-
Jesus, I can't
Oh,
keep
no,
up with you.
That's right, I'm a marathon.
You're a rat. A whisper.
That's right, me.
That's so creepy.
Oh, yeah,
No,
you
it's like a little
whispered
girl
too.
whispering.
Hi, Jay. Oh, you guys.
Oh!
Guys.
Oh, hey,
Guys,
what's up?
guys, follow me, Guys, all two races I got stuck.
I knew something
Okay.
was gonna be there when I turned around. I wasn't sure it was gonna be that guy or you guys.
Well, go on. I want to show you where I got stuck.
Danny.
Hey,
Oh, because my guy's losing his sanity.
first you see my ass.
I thought you were freaking like Johnny Bravo, dude.
It's mesmerizing.
Alright, guys, keep on.
Jimmy Neutron in the later years.
Bobby's like way ahead.
You do trust.
Yeah, that was a weird video. Dude, whenever it goes to, I'm gonna freak you guys out. I'm gonna hide behind this pillar, just pop out like, ah!
No, James is right. Hang on. Oh, James is fine.
Oh!
Oh!